Hi, this is a new video for introduction to PHP. In this video, we are going to discuss about the fundamentals of PHP and the benefits of PHP. Let's enter into the session. So the term PHP, it is an acronym. You can use the PHP as a hypertext preprocessor, or you can call the preprocessor hypertext. It is called as recursive acronym. Either you can use PS first, or either you can use P after HP. That is, HP stands for hypertext, P stands for preprocessor. So it is a recursive acronym that is used by PHP. And PHP is a server-side scripting language designed specifically for web development. Using PHP, you can create dynamic web pages, interactive web pages, and attractive web pages with the help of HTML. That is the objective of PHP. So mainly PHP is used for web-based application development. For example, our Facebook and Yahoo are also built on PHP. One of the main reason behind this is that PHP can be easily embedded in HTML files, and HTML codes can also be written in PHP file. PHP by default you can write your PHP code with HTML part only. So easily you can embed your HTML and PHP. Using HTML, you can create attractive web pages. Using PHP, you can create interactive web pages. So both interactive and attractive you can give using by the PHP. That is the main advantage of PHP preprocessor hypertext or hypertext preprocessor. The thing that differentiate PHP with client-side language like HTML is PHP codes are executed on server, whereas HTML codes are directly rendered on the browser. That is the major difference between client-side application and server-side application. I already told you PHP is a server-side scripting language. That means you can write server-side program using by PHP. That means your PHP program will execute on server, but a client-side program will execute on browser. Which browser you are using, that browser executes your client-side application. That is the main difference between PHP and there is server-side and client-side application. Why should we use PHP? PHP can actually do anything related to server-side scripting, or more popularly known as the backend of a website. As it is used as a server-side scripting language, you can call this is a backend of website. Backend of behind the screen, PHP can perform many things like receiving data from forms, generate dynamic page content, and you can work with databases, and you can create sessions, send and receive cookies and emails. Many functions behind the screen you can perform using by the PHP. That is a major advantage. There are also many hash functions available in PHP to encrypt users' data. If the customer or the user don't want to share his data, or he want to maintain some confidential data, you can use hash function in PHP. Hash function is used to maintain the secret data. Okay. PHP is secure and reliable to use as a server-side scripting language. As it is used as a server-side application, PHP enhance the secure and reliable data. These are some of the objective and the need of PHP. And I said PHP is a server-side scripting language. PHP is to help to write server-side scripting language. What is in the server-side scripting languages? If you want to enter server-side scripting languages, first we must understand what is client-side scripting languages. Client-side scripting languages is nothing but whatever the browser executes, whatever you are seeing on your browser, those scripting languages are called as a client-side scripting languages. So that what here mentioned. Client-side scripting is performed to generate a code that can run on the client end, that is browser, without needing the server-side processing. To execute this kind of styles and to execute this kind of process, you don't want any servers. It automatically will be supported by the browser itself. Basically, these types of scripts are placed in inside an HTML document. But what is server-side scripting language? Server-side scripting is a technique of programming for producing the code which can run on software on the server side. Client side run on browser, server side run on web server. In simple words, any scripting or programming that can run on the web server is known as server-side scripting. What are the differences between client side and server side? So what are the differences? First difference is client side scripting language involves languages. Some of the examples of client side is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These languages are used to design client side because these languages helps to run your application in browser itself. Okay, it doesn't go for server side for any evaluation. It automatically the validation. For example, for if you are giving date of birth, it checks are you giving the date of birth in correct format or not. So this is done by the browser itself. So this language is written as client-side scripting languages. So date of birth validation, age validation, your name validation, register number validation, these are all the things done by the browser itself. So these are called as a client-side scripting languages. Some scripting languages may be written for server side, for storing the database, after storing if the data exceed. Example for a customer wants to withdraw some amount from his account. His account consists only 5,000 rupees, but he want to withdraw 10,000. So this process will be, this checking process will be done in server. So this kind of server side program we can write using the PHP. Okay. In contrast, second point, in contrast, programming languages such as PHP, ASP.NET, Ruby, ColdFusion, Python, C#, Java, C++, these are all the examples for server-side scripting languages. So why we need to go for server-side scripting? Because it is more secure than the client-side scripting, as the server-side scripts are usually hidden from the client end, while a client side is visible to the user. Okay. Client side is visible to the user, server side will be hidden from the client, that is from the user. That's all about the introduction to PHP. If you have any queries, you just post your queries on comment section. Thank you for listening.